Hello everyone. Now we are going to learn about questions in which it is clearly stated that your DFA accepts a certain kind of string. So in the previous video I had explained a DFA which was accepting string 01. Now in this video I'll be explaining DFA that will accept string either 01 or 10. That means your language, DFA language, which is valid and which will be accepted is either 01 or 10. None other strings other than these two will be accepted. So if you get anything starting with 0 or 1 and has many more digits except for these two, then they will all be rejected. These are all rejected. Okay, so let's start with DFA. As I explained in the previous video, you start with initial state Q naught. Your DFA will be reading 0, 1. So let's take this string first. On 0, it goes to Q1. On 1, it goes to Q2. Now, it also is allowed to read the string 10. So Q0 on 1, let's say, goes to Q3. After 1, it should read 0. Only then it will reach the final state. So these are the valid set of strings. For any other transition, it should go to dead state. Let's say there is a dead state here. Q0 on 0 and 1, both the transitions are shown. Q1 on 1 goes to Q2. But what if Q1 receives a 0? If Q1 receives a 0, it should not be allowed. Otherwise, your string becomes 0, 0, 1. 0, 0, 1 is not a valid string. So it will go to dead state on 0. So Q1 on 0 and 1, both the transitions are shown. Q3 on 0 goes to Q2. But what if Q3 receives 1? For example, you read 1 and Q3. When you reach Q3, if you're getting again another 1, then that is not allowed. So take it to dead state. Now Q2. Q2 on 0 and 1. So after you read 0, 1, after you read 0, 1, you are not allowed to read any other string. So Q2 on reading 0 and on 1 will go to dead state. So this is the DFA for reading strings either 10 or 01. 5-tuple notation I've already shown how it is to be shown. You have your starting state, your final state, then you have input, transition function, and set of states. This should have been MDFA. That is how you represent DFA. Now Q is set of states. So you have Q naught, Q1, Q2, Q3, and QD. Starting state is Q naught. Your final state is Q2. Your input is 0, 1. Now transition function. How to represent transition function? As I explained in the previous video, transition function is represented using a table. So this is how you will show transition table. This is on 0, this is on 1, 0 and on 1, your input sigma and your states Q naught. So you have Q0, you have Q1, Q2, Q3 and dead state. Initial state is shown using an arrow, dead state, final state is shown using asterisk. So for transition, for input value 0 and 1, you can show all the transitions here in the table. Q0 on 0 goes to Q1, Q0 on 1 goes to Q3. Q1 on 0 goes to dead state, Q1 on 1 goes to Q2. Come to Q2, Q2 on 0 and 1 both goes to dead state, then on Q3. Now Q3 on 0 will go to Q2, Q3 on 1 will take you to dead state, and when you reach dead state, you will remain on dead state for both the input. So this also you can show it over here like this, on 0 and on 1. I hope you must have understood. Thank you.